Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will tell you about this pattern. This is very beautiful. This is baby blanket pattern, and let me show you the thickness of this is very cozy pattern, and this is reversible pattern, and this is very easy. So let's begin our video. For this pattern I am taking this 4 ply wool, and with this I am using 4.0 mm crochet. Usually I use 6.0 mm crochet or 5.0 mm crochet with 4 ply wool, but in this pattern we should use this little thick crochet hook. If you want to use little thick wool, that is the best idea for this blanket, for this pattern especially. So with this 4 ply wool we will use this 4.0 mm crochet. See the thickness of this crochet hook. Okay, we will start to make a slip knot, or you can start like this also. I usually start like this. Okay, we'll start to make foundation chains. Please make these chains with very loose hand. And the second thing is very important in this pattern, that the chains should be odd number. In this pattern we can't make 17, 15 or 25 or 27 chains. We have to make it in 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 numbers. Okay, so I'm just showing you a sample. So for this sample I'm making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I'm making 10 chains and one extra chain for the starting. Don't count this chain in the pattern. So basically I've made 10 chains for this pattern. So skip the first chain, that is our 11th chain. We will skip this first chain and we'll start our pattern from the second chain. Okay, in the second chain make a slip chain. Okay, after slip chain make one half double crochet in the next chain. I just skipped one chain, and in the second chain I made one slip chain, and in the second chain or in the next chain I have made just one half double crochet. Okay, now in the next chain make one slip chain or slip stitch. Okay, in the next chain make again one half double crochet. In next chain make one slip stitch. In next chain make one half double crochet. In next chain make one slip stitch. We are repeating this again and again. In next chain make one half double crochet. In next chain make one slip stitch, and in the last chain we should have always in this pattern we should have in last chain one half double crochet. Chain 1. We always start this pattern with slip stitch and ends with half double crochet. Okay, now turn over for the second round. This chain, not like this, in this chain, in this make slip stitch. As I said that always start with slip stitch, that's why I made one slip stitch in first chain. In the second chain make one half double crochet. The pattern will be like this. On the half double crochet we will make one slip stitch, and on slip stitch we will have one half double crochet. In the next chain make one slip stitch. In the next chain from the back side like this, look at this chain, one part of this chain, this one, and the second one is this one. This is the back part. We will make into this chain one half double crochet, In the next chain, make 1 slip stitch. We will repeat again and again to complete this pattern like this. 1 half double crochet and 1 slip stitch. The main thing is to remember in this pattern that we have to start with slip stitch and ends with half double crochet. And the second thing is my slip stitch on should be on half double crochet and the half double crochet on slip stitch. Like this round ends with half double crochet. Now 1 chain and turn over, and we will repeat this. See, one half double crochet, 1 slip stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next chain, 1 slip stitch, 1 half double crochet, 1 slip stitch, like this. So I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.